हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस और ये हम करेंगे विद ताबीर अकेडमी। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द मेथड ऑफ मिडिल टर्म ब्रेकिंग। This method involves factorization by splitting the middle term. So for example, if we have the equation x square minus 7x plus 10, so इसकी middle term is minus 7x. So we have to split this middle term of minus 7x into two parts such that उनका जो product है that is equals to the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant, and their sum is equals to minus 7x. So in this case we can take minus 5 and minus 2 because in दोनों का sum is equals to minus 7 and in दोनों का product is equals to 10. Then we can rewrite this equation with the split middle term, which gives us x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equals to 0. Then we can factorize this equation by taking common factors. For example, इसके अंदर हो जाएगा x into x minus 5 minus 2 into x minus 5 equals to zeros. So then we can factor out the common binomials and put them equals to 0 separately, and this will give us two solutions for this equation, and the solution set is 2 comma 5.